I've been hit with the hail, and now what? Hey everyone, this is Ars from Ars Dent Repair, and today I want to talk about hail damage and what you should do when you get a hail damage on your vehicle. So the first thing you want to do is to give a call to your insurance company and file a claim. Have your vehicle inspected by one of the adjusters at their inspection place, or you can have them come out to your place and do the inspection at your work or your house. After you have the adjuster inspect your car, now it's time to take your car to a reputable Paintless dent repair shop. You can check out their reputation, their reviews on Yelp, Google, or Angie's List. Once you pick the right company, have them to do the estimate. Now their estimate is going to be a bit different than your insurance company. That's because they use a special lighting and special tools to identify the size and the number of the dents that oftentimes cannot be seen with the bare eye. Once they file a supplement request, now it's time to wait for your insurance company. You either have to leave your car at the repair facility and get yourself a rental car that is provided by your insurance company. Once we get the supplement request approved, now it's time for us to go ahead and do the repair. Repair usually takes about 2 to 5 days, depending on the size of the vehicle and also the severity of a hail damage. In this case, it's going to take us about 3 business days. Right behind me I got 2015 Subaru Forester. So let me show you quickly how we repair a hail damage on this specific car. Let's take a look at the hood of this vehicle. As you guys can see, it's got a number of hits on the hood. The average size of the hail damage is about quarter sized. We also have a couple oversized dents, like this one here, and one over here. First thing you want to do is pop the hood. So my next step in repairing this hail damage is to create an access to get behind the dents. As you can see, it's got a liner right here. We're going to have to remove this liner so we can have enough access to get behind the dents and massage them out. To remove this liner, we're going to have to remove these clips that holding this trim in its place. Just like that. So now, as you guys can see, we have a nice opening here, there, this, that, and all this. And we can use our brace tools to gain access behind this areas here as well. Let me just show you quickly now how the repair process works. So I'm going to be working on this dent right here. I'm right behind the dent with the tool, and I'm going to be applying a pressure from the back side. And you can see right now how the metal is going back and forth and slowly shrinking the dent. It's not exactly popping, it's more of a massage. And that's exactly how Paintless dent repair is done. If you have any questions, please visit our website at arsdentrepair.com or give us a call at 443-722-0032. Thank you, and we'll look forward to working with you.